This video tutorial puts you through on how to add email address as contact on Outlook. First, launch a web browser, and here we are going to be using Microsoft Edge. Visit outlook.com and sign in. You can see the website here, outlook.com. Once you're on the inbox, the next step is to take your cursor to this side. You will see this people section. Click on it. On clicking on that, you may see some contacts you have added already, but if you don't have, this place will be empty. The next step is to click on New Contact. Fill this first name and last name, the email address, and possibly the phone number if we have the phone number of the person. All right, but these three are the basics. So let me fill the first name. Let's say the first name here is Godwin. The last name is Tech. Then the email address, I will type it in at gmail.com. Then after typing the email address, you will see this save button will be made clickable. So click on that. So once that email address is saved as contact, it will be added. Okay. So let's talk about the importance of this. One is that once you add an email address to contact, anytime that person sends email to you, it's not going to be filtered maybe as an email that is not important, whereby going into the junk section. It doesn't happen because you have added this as a contact. It's now an important email address to you. Another importance of this is because it will help you to easily communicate to the person. All you need is just get to outlook.com, just click on this contact tab. All right, you will see the people that you have in your contacts. So from there, you can click on this email icon and send email to him directly, or click on this chat and start chatting with him or her. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.